Hi there! In this video, I'll show you how to put your Facebook on private. To start this tutorial, go ahead and open your Facebook application in your mobile device. Once on Facebook, tap on the three horizontal lines on the upper right. Once you're here, scroll down and then go to Settings and Privacy. Now tap on Settings this time. Now wait for it to load. Now once we are in Settings and Privacy, we're going to look for the header that says Audience and Visibility. Now scroll down to Audience and Visibility. Now tap on this icon that says How can people find you? In here, you can tweak your settings. To start with, who can send you friend requests? We can tap on it and then we can make sure that we have it as friends of friends. There are also other options here. You can follow the settings that I'm going to be doing in their same process. Now I'll just sit quiet here and make sure you follow along to every settings that I'm going to be tweaking. Don't worry, I'm still here. You can also turn off search engine results so nobody can find you on Facebook or search for you in the internet. Now go back. In here, scroll down once again. Now go to posts. Posts, we can also limit who can see our posts on Facebook. Just tap on it this time. Wait for it to load. In this setting, we have the option to limit past posts so nobody else could pry on our previous posts on Facebook. Now, we can also tweak our future posts so that only people limited can see them. We can now switch this to only me, so nobody else can pry on our post on Facebook once again. Now just tap on only me. Wait for Facebook to finish tweaking your settings and saving it. Once a blue check mark appears, you're all good to go. Now go back. Then look for stories. Over at stories, you can also tweak it as to who can see your stories over at Facebook. Now, let's also go over to active status. In active status, you can switch this on or off depending on how you want people to see you over at Facebook. Now, tap on profile locking. In profile locking, you have the option to lock your profile so nobody else can see all your posts all over at Facebook. In here, we've locked our profile, so we're all good. If we tap on see your profile, this will give you a preview as to how your profile will look for people who are not your friends and will try to check on your profile. And that's it. Thank you very much for watching. Don't forget to leave a like, share, and please subscribe to the channel.